Hi everybody, my name is Pouneh. I am here today to have a workshop, but free. It's so amazing because it's free. The cost is like 60 or 70 dollars, but today I'm gonna show you how to make your vision board or dream board with canvas, and you can make it so pretty. So the vision board, if you don't know what is a vision board or dream board, um, if you have any dream, I mean, obviously you have dream. Um, so you think about what is your dream, like a dream car, dream house, job, or any like um, marriage or money, business, anything you have on your dream, you can find a picture and cut it off and put it in your canvas and put glue on it and put it on canvas. And I'm gonna show you how you can make it like abstract painting with your vision board. And this is the um, your dream. It motivates you when you see your dream board every day, and this is the energy that bring those things to your life. So your dreams become true with your vision board. It's so amazing and it's so true. So be with me. I'm gonna show you how to make it, and I don't charge you. Just I like to subscribe my channel, and please like, or if you have any comments, let me know, or if you have any question, please ask me. I will answer as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.